और चलिए अब आपको सीधा लेकर के चलते हैं दिल्ली संसद सत्र में, जहां राज्यसभा में परीक्षा को लेकर लोक परीक्षा संशोधन बिल पेश किया गया है और चर्चा चल रही है।
Therefore, you would also acknowledge the justification behind bringing the 2024 bill and the amendment today. Broadly speaking, Chairman Sir, in this country we have four main recruitment agencies, namely the UPSC, the Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Board, and the Institute of Banking Personnel. And for admission to higher educations, now you have National Testing Agency. And my next sentence is again going to excite some of the honorable members on the other side. The irony is that the first time the suggestion for setting up a national agency came way back in 1992, almost 33 years back. It was a Congress government at the center. A series of committees were formed, and in UPA 2 in 2010, again a very strong suggestion from one of the committees set up by them came to set up a national testing agency. I'm sure they will appreciate and be grateful and thank Prime Minister Modi that the unfinished task and unfinished agenda left by UPA is being completed and brought to conclusion by the NDA. And therefore,
please take your seat.
And therefore,
Agarwal ji,
in an honest bid,
Agarwal ji, please take your seat. Don't get agitated.
in an honest bid to carry forward what could have been carried forward by the earlier governments, the Public Examination Bill 2024 was brought in January 24. It was enacted in February 24, implemented in June, and also notified in June 24. The bill's main objectives at that time were to give greater transparency.
Honorable member, please
Yes.
take your seat.
Yes, that is precisely the reason you didn't bring the bill. Because
Pankaj, you go back to your seat, please.
the bill
Pankaj ji, you
sought to
please
bring
go back to your
greater
seat,
transparency, greater credibility. And I'm not saying this. There's a strong opinion in this country that this agency was not brought in because there were certain vested interests involved, and which were not compatible with transparency. But here it was a noble thought to reassure the youth that their sincere and genuine efforts would not go unrewarded in the hands of a few vested interests, and to ensure that their future would not be jeopardized by self-seeking.
Ji, your
government
party is
of the
having
day.
sufficient time. You can give notes to your speakers and you can speak.